Hello, my name is Jonathan Gomez. I am a student, electronical engineer from UNAT Bogota. My means of transportation, which I consider very ecological, is the physical science. It doesn't generate any type of pollution. It also helps me to stay healthy when movies from one place to another. I exercise at the same time. I burn calories and help me to stay more active. Yes, it is easier and anywhere about the traffic jam. Yeah, I'm reading through different routes, making the routes faster. Invitation is to use bacon more because is healthy. Uh, um, we help the environment. Thank you very much.